welcome back to the channel. I am so excited for this video. It is going to be a little Cape weekend. Zach and I are here with three couples, so like a couples trip. We're the fourth couple. We are staying in the Orleans area and it is beautiful. We've been here for a few hours today. We went to the beach. It was such a perfect beach day and I cannot wait to show you guys the room that we're staying in. It is everything a pink lover's dream would want. We love the Cape. We love coming here. We love making new memories here every year, and we've never been to this part of the Cape. So I'm so excited to take you guys along. I don't know how much footage I'll get. I don't know exactly what we're doing this weekend, but it's going to be an amazing time. We are heading to Chatham tonight. Probably hit up the cute little stores down there, get some food. I think we're gonna go to the Chatham Bars Inn, which is a beautiful hotel that you can get drinks, you can get dinner at. So I am so excited for this video. We are all currently getting ready for our little night out, but after this clip you guys will see the like beach b-roll that I got from earlier, and then I will transition that into the Chatham content or the Chatham b-roll from after I'm filming this, if that makes sense. But I am so excited to be here. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you are not new here, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am so excited for this little Cape weekend. We love the Cape and I'm just so happy to be here. I am also wearing my little Quince outfit that I shared in the last video. They sent me these pieces and I absolutely love them. I'll stand up in a second and show you guys. I love them so much. I just realized I got a pretty tan line today. I usually don't typically get tan lines there, but you know what, we're gonna rock with it. I was gonna curl my hair today, but it is really hot and humid and I feel like it's just gonna end up going into a clip or something, so we're just gonna rock the straight, the natural. I just blow dried my hair, so we're gonna embrace the after the blow dry hair. Let me stand up and I'll give you guys like a full fit of what I'm wearing, but I am just so happy to be here. All right, this is the outfit today. I just realized I also have my Quince bag. I love this bag so much. All of my little fits here will be linked down below. I am obsessed with this outfit. It's gonna be so comfortable to go walk around Chatham today, but I have pockets here. This is just like a long skirt. Then I have this really cute like ribbed halter kind of crisscrossy neck here. I love it so much. I'm so excited to wear it in Chatham and at the little Chatham Bars tonight. It will be a really beautiful night, but let me also show you guys this insanely beautiful pink room because it's so cute. Okay, this is the pink room. There's a lot of pink in here. I think it is absolutely adorable. It is so cute. Out here too is the backyard. It's so cool. They have like a trampoline. They have a whole cute little deck area out there with a TV and whatnot, but the room is adorable. Everyone has their own room. This whole entire house is beautiful. It's actually one of our friend's bosses. They used to rent it out for Airbnb, but they don't do that anymore, but it's super cool. I feel like all the rooms here have some sort of type of theme. Like our friends Ryan and Caitlin have like a green kind of themed room, and ours is pink, and I think it's just absolutely adorable. I love the pink and I love all the little picture frames up there. It's just so cute. I especially love that one. It's so beautiful. Now that you've seen the outfit, you've seen the beautiful pink room, it is time for us to go enjoy a beautiful night here in the Cape. I'm so excited to spend the night in Chatham. After this clip, you guys can enjoy some b-roll from our beach day today. We did go to Nauset Beach, which we've never been to, or I've never been to before, neither has Zach, and it was beautiful. Like, highly recommend going to that beach. It was the perfect like sand. The water was a perfect temperature. I know it's different every day, but for right now, today that we went, the beach was perfect conditions. We didn't have a cloud in the sky. It was genuinely like the perfect beach day. We got some chicken Caesar wraps. It was just a 10 out of 10 beach day, but I'm excited to continue all of our little Cape festivities today and enjoy some beach content after this clip, and then you can enjoy some Chatham content, and then I'll check in with you guys after that. But for now, let's go enjoy a beautiful night, afternoon, evening in the Cape. we grabbed some coffee and some like breakfast this morning. We ended up eating it at the house, but some of our friends went to go pick it up. But it is from this little bakery called the Hole-in-One. So good. I got the Jamaican Me Crazy like iced coffee with the salted caramel cold foam. 10 out of 10. So delicious. I actually looked on TikTok because we've never been here before what like everyone likes for their coffee orders, and this was recommended, so I got it. I'm so glad I got it. It's so good. Definitely on the sweeter end, so if you don't love sweet coffee, maybe don't get the salted caramel cold foam, but I like sweet coffee, so this was really good. And then I ended up getting a breakfast sandwich. It was like ham, egg and cheese, also really good. Zach got some pancakes with some home fries, also really good. So that was a really good way to start our morning. Yesterday we had such a fun time at the Chatham area. We went to the Chatham Bars Inn. That was like our first stop. That whole area is absolutely stunning, very like elegant, sophisticated, beautiful, like the typical, like when you think of the Cape Cod, like all of the hydrangeas and everything. It was truly such a fun time. We got some drinks there. We didn't eat there because you had to have a reservation, and I'm pretty sure they book up weeks and weeks in advance. So we just kind of enjoyed like the ambiance. We enjoyed our drinks. We enjoyed the sunset. It was beautiful. The sunset was like really good sunset last night, so I'm glad that we were able to catch that there. And then after that we ended up going to downtown Chatham, which is where like all the cutesy little stores are. It is where the Squire is, which is like a bar slash restaurant. That's actually where we ended up eating last night too. It was so busy, so there was 8 of us, which is tricky to get a reservation or like sit down anywhere at a restaurant at that, like with that many people. But we did get really lucky. We got a table and we had dinner there, which was really good. We had some drinks there, and then we ended up just leaving the Squire around like, I think it was like 9:30ish. Came back to the house. We wanted to enjoy like this beautiful house. We played some games and then just hung out last night. It was so much fun. We were all so tired when we got up this morning, so we're kind of moving a little bit slower today. So we're heading out for the beach very soon. We're going to be going to the Nauset Beach, which is where we were yesterday. Beautiful beach, so I'm so excited. It's going to be another beautiful beach day here. I don't know what our plans are for after the beach because we just don't have plans for that time yet, but I'm sure we'll get dinner at some point, maybe order food here to the house or something. I'm not exactly sure, but I am so excited for our little beach day. So let's go enjoy another beautiful day here in the Cape. Obviously I will take you guys along for some b-roll and whatnot, but yeah, I loved the beach yesterday, so I'm so excited to go back. But I definitely need to finish my coffee before we go, so let's finish the coffee and then let's head to the beach. You guys can come along too. We've been back home for a few days now. Honestly, the whole weekend went by so incredibly fast that I feel like I really didn't even have time to like pick up the camera and really do like a rundown of what we were doing or just give really any updates other than do some b-roll. So that was a very quick video, but honestly I loved it. I feel like these little quick videos are actually fun. I don't do them quite often. Actually, I never do like short videos like this, but just under the circumstances, like that's just kind of what it ended up turning out to be. But I absolutely had a blast when we were in the Cape. We just had such an amazing time. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, we did go with 3 other couples. We were the 4th couple, and it was just such a fun like little couples trip. We had never stayed in this part of the Cape before, which was the Orleans part. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I would love to go back to that area in the Cape again, just because It was just such a nice area. I loved all the cute little houses, like all the hydrangeas everywhere. It was just beautiful. And then honestly, my favorite thing that we did was when we went to the Chatham Bars Inn. The Chatham Bars Inn is a very, very nice hotel, very expensive. We probably will never actually get to stay at this hotel or this inn because it is very pricey, but you can visit, you can go, you can get dinner, you can get drinks, you can hang out around that area, and that's exactly what we did, and it was so much fun. We had a few drinks there, and honestly it was so busy. We didn't think we would be able to eat food there just because there were no reservations when we had checked. I'm pretty sure in order for you to actually be able to eat at that restaurant, you have to book quite far in advance, and I'm sure that they prioritize all the guests who are actually staying there too, like the hotel guests, not people who were just coming to grab some drinks and get some food. So we didn't end up eating there. We ended up eating at the Squire, which the Squire is like this fun bar. I feel like it's like one of Cape's like most known like going out places, but they do have food and everything like that. We got so lucky with the table. I think I mentioned it in the video, but when we got to the Squire, we knew that we wanted food, and one of our friends went to the host stand, like he asked if we could sit at a table of 8, and the hostess said by the time that like your name would get called for sitting, the kitchen would have been closed by then. So clearly it would have been a very long wait, but somehow we snagged a table like in the corner of like the bar area. It had all the seats that we needed, so we lucked out. We really lucked out that night. We had such a good time. I think Zach and I, we got a lobster roll. We all split some nachos, and everyone else got like whatever they wanted, but that was a really good time. We actually didn't stay there as late as I thought we were going to. I think we left around like 9:30. We just went back to the house, played some games, had some fun because the house was just so nice. We kind of wanted to just enjoy and be at the house because it was just such a cool house. So that's what we did. We had a blast that night. The beach that we ended up going to twice was Nauset Beach. This was probably my favorite beach that we've been to for like a beach day in the Cape. I love Mayflower Beach too. I don't think that's not in the Orleans area, but we've been to Mayflower Beach a few times in the past for like the sunset, beautiful sunsets at Mayflower Beach, but we ended up just going to Nauset Beach, which was like a 5, 6, 7 minute drive from the house that we were staying at, and this beach was beautiful. It was perfect for a beach day. We had such good weather. We honestly like didn't have a cloud in the sky like the whole weekend until the day that we left, so we lucked out really well with the weather this weekend. And honestly, the beach sand with the texture, 10 out of 10. The sand doesn't really bother me anywhere that we go, but the sand here was really soft and it was really nice. They had huge waves at this beach. I don't know if that's something that they typically have, but the waves were insane. Everyone had their boogie boards. I wish I had known. I would have brought a boogie board, or I don't own one, but I would have went out and bought a boogie board because it was so fun. Although the second day that we went to the beach, the water was freezing, like cold plunge kind of water. It was so unbelievably cold that I didn't even dunk that day. Like it was like a stick your toes in, your toes are frozen, run out, kind of cool off kind of thing. But the first beach day that we had, the water was really nice, so that was really, really great. Honestly, the water being that cold was nice because it was so hot those days that even just sticking your feet in the water like helped you cool off. So those beach days were awesome. I also really love Nauset Beach too, because not only is like the beach like itself beautiful, but they have a bunch of food trucks and like nice bathrooms and changing stations that you can utilize while you're there, which is great because not a lot of beaches actually have that. And the food was actually really good food. I feel like a lot of the times when you get like food truck kind of food, it's not super great, but it was really good. Both days Zach and I ended up getting chicken Caesar wraps, and they were delicious, like really, really good quality chicken Caesar wraps. And then I would get a homemade lemonade, like a fresh squeezed lemonade that they had. So good. They had ice cream cart, they had like a snow cone, they had like a burger one, a taco one, and they had like a sandwich one. So anything that like you could possibly want, like whether you're picky eaters, adventurous eaters, anything like that, they had kind of food for everyone. It was really cool. I love the shark activity app. It's basically an app where like you can track and see where sharks are around in the Cape. Obviously not all sharks are tracked, they don't all have trackers, but for the ones that they've been able to, you can kind of see where they're at. There were no sharks where we were for the weekend. Very, very good, but also like I would love to see a shark one day. Maybe not right by me where I'm swimming. I know this sounds crazy, but I would like to see like a shark like in its natural habitat one day, but not when I'm swimming in the water. So there were no sharks around, but this beach did have like flags to say like whether or not there could be a possibility of the sharks being around the area or if like you were safe. So it was just a fun beach day, or both beach days were just really fun. Honestly, a 10 out of 10 weekend. We had so much fun. If you have any questions about like that type of area or the Cape in general, leave them down below. I just love going to the Cape so much. We always create like the best memories over the summer when we go to the Cape. It's a blast. We have an amazing time every time we go. Sorry if the camera angle changed a little bit. My SD card was actually full, so I had to go back and delete a few clips. But anyway, we didn't actually buy anything from the Cape this trip just because we didn't go into really any shops or anything. We did have the intention to go shopping in the Chatham area, but we ended up spending so much time at the Chatham Bars Inn that we just didn't have time to walk around the stores. So there were no purchases from this little Cape trip, but our friends did get us like a little apartment like housewarming gift, and it was so sweet. These two friends, Ryan and Caitlin, we went on the Celebrity Reflection cruise with them in April, and that was probably like one of my, not probably, it was one of my top 3 trips that we've ever been on. It was the best trip honestly ever, and they made us a little book and it was so sweet. It just says Vacay Cruise 2025, and the whole book is just has a bunch of pictures kind of outlining like the days that we did. Like this one's so cute because it's all these pictures from the day that we were in Mexico and we were at the cenotes, and then it was so cute because I always try and do like bloopers at the end of our travel videos, and they did that in the book. It's so funny. They wrote, "Thankful for an amazing vacation with lifelong friends. We can't wait for the next adventure." And it was just meaningful gifts like this mean more to me than anything, and this was such a fun trip, and to have this forever, I just love it so much. Like, I don't even care that we didn't buy anything because we really didn't need anything. This was the best thing that we got from the whole weekend. So thank you to Ryan and Caitlin if you're watching this. I love this book. I love this because now I feel like I have the idea to do this with all the trips, because printing pictures are expensive, and if you have a book like this, you got all your pictures in a tiny little book that you can keep and cherish forever. So I love this so much. Thank you guys again if you're watching. I am going to end the video now. I want to get this edited. I want to get this uploaded. Summer is dwindling down, and I want to get some more summer content up before summer officially ends. So if you guys are new here, make sure you're subscribed to the channel down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!